Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Monday, July 6th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today there was 4 opportunities in the room. One of them could have been taken in either market, the TF or the ES. Both were nice winners in both markets. And I'm going to run through quickly what we did today. Today we had a ZL here short after this green candle here. It was around 58.50, 58.75 area here, and it was bouncing around here for quite some time. Got us in the trade. I was kind of trying to thread the needle between two news reports. We had just had news at 8:45, and we were going to have news at 9, and I just didn't feel real comfortable with it. What I told everybody is I would recommend getting out here at entry, make a tick, 2 ticks. Some people made a tick or 2, and we would just revisit this. This would probably turn into an S play. It would just take a little bit of time. Let's let the news pass that was coming up at 9 o'clock. That's what we did. So in hindsight, obviously could have made a couple points down here and then gotten in later like we did. But again, just didn't want to thread the needle for the guys in the call room. And that was a break-even trade, make a tick or 2, whatever, let's call it break-even. Market came back down. We sat here, news report came out. They held this level, and I basically said after this green candle here, we can go ahead and get long. It was around 57.50, 57.75 that people were able to get in, and we took that one up. I said that you take profits along the way. If the market prints 61.25, we would go ahead and add. That's a power play, or take a new entry. So this was an add-on or a new entry, and I said that it should go up to the circle. If it can get above the circle, we were coming up here. And then these were our targets. Again, these targets were here the whole time. So what we did was long an S play, add on our new entry at the power play, took it up to the first target 52.50, second target 54.50, 66.75, and then 68.75. This middle one here was kind of an intermediary target. I said if they were going to get up here, they most likely were going to just go to 68.75, which was basically flat on the day, and reset everything, and that's what they did. So basically break even here. We had a long here, 57.50, and that one yielded, could have yielded with enough contracts about 11 points. For most people, if they only had a couple targets, 2-3 targets, they would have then gotten 57.25 up till probably 62, so 3-4 points with an add-on, and then probably up to 450. Those with more lots obviously would have been able to get the 67 and the 68.75. So a beautiful trade either way. And when the market came back down, I said we could try a power play short 61. I said that I wanted it to be risk-free by the end of this candle. If it was not risk-free by the end of the candle, we were going to have a ZL that was going to come in and possibly push it up. So once this candle closed, I said there's a ZL there, just get out. If you do not get out, you're going to most likely have to add. Most people got out and made 2 ticks. Again, we call it a wash. Lose a tick, make a tick, doesn't really matter. We don't count that as a big winner or loser. Those that opted to stay in did add up at 63, and as you can see right here, the average would have been 62, half a position, half of a position, and then everybody was able to get out here. Again, break even minus a tick, whatever the case may be. Right in here, they were able to get out clearly at a break even, and I said if they went back through the 60.50, then we'd look at another opportunity. That never happened here, but the room closed. So basically, couple tick winner here to a break even, couple tick winner here, trade called off, break even. These 2 longs were the big winners of the day, and again, depending on how many contracts, you could have made whatever you wanted, up to 11 points off of the S play, and then up for about 7 or 8 points on the power play. And we're going to come back again and do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, I want you guys to have a great day. This trade also was takeable in the TF. Okay, took it in the TF 142.2, And again, you see my lines here, targets up here, and that yielded up to 70, 80 ticks as well. For those who had enough contracts, our default is 15 to 20 ticks, and then 35 to 40 ticks, and then 50 ticks or the next target. So basically, again, you were in till you ran out of contracts or till the final target was hit, depending on how long you wanted to stay in the trade. And we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys, and until then, have a great day.